Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I know there are a lot of people out there who know that they need to work more fruits and vegetables into their day, but they're not quite sure how to do it. They're kind of struggling with that. I've got some help for you. I'm going to be making a series of videos on this topic and to try to help you out in this endeavor. But I want to start with effective ways to make change. This is something that I've learned years ago, and it's worked really, really well for me in many aspects in my life. It's a little motto that I carry with me, and I use it all the time. Inch by inch, it's a cinch. Yard by yard, it's hard. If you remember that phrase when you run into a struggle, it will help you to make it through that, remembering that if you make small changes a little bit at a time, you will effectively achieve your goal. It might not happen overnight, but you will do it inch by inch. It's a cinch. Yard by yard, it's hard. Now, how do we apply this to adding more fruits and vegetables to our day? It's very easy. You pick one thing that you want to change. Let's say you want to add more fruit to your breakfast. You want to add more fruit to your breakfast. So you find ways to add a little more fruit to whatever you normally eat for breakfast. And you focus on that one thing, and you make a point of doing that every single day. Over time, it's going to become second nature to you. You're not going to have to think about it anymore. You're going to automatically do it in whatever way you have found works right for you. When that happens, bingo, you've achieved your goal. Then it's time to maintain that and find another thing that you want to change. Let's say you want to add more vegetables to your lunch. So you find different ways that you can add some vegetables to your lunch while you're still maintaining adding that fruit to your breakfast. And then you find ways to add the vegetables to your lunch, and you do it. And you think about it, and you make a point of doing it every single day. And when you find that it's second nature to you, automatic, bingo, you've achieved that second goal. You maintain both of those, and then you repeat the process over and over again until you are satisfied with, okay, I am now eating 10 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. I'm good, and I can still add more if I want to, but I know I've met my minimum goal of however many more you want to add to your day, or total amount you want to add to your day. Inch by inch, it's a cinch. Yard by yard, it's hard. A little bit at a time. Our habits take time to develop, and they take time to change. Remember that, and you will achieve your goals. Let me know if you have some feedback on this and if it's worked for you. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I do hope this helps. Bye for now.